Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we'll be installing a K&N air filter upgrade on the Can-Am Ryker. Whether it's time to replace your stock air filter or you're just looking to upgrade, this K&N high flow air filter is hands down the best solution for any Ryker owner. K&N filters have been made in the US for over 40 years and consist of multiple layers of woven cotton gauze, offering a large filtration area that increases both horsepower and torque, and are even back with a 1,000,000-mile limited warranty. The K&N filter comes pre-oiled and ready to ride, and is also washable and reusable when it comes time for a service. Now, since both the 600 and 900cc Ryker engines use the same K&N filter, we'll be walking you through the installation on our 2019 Ryker 600. Now, you may have noticed that the Ryker has an air filter on both sides of the bike. The filter on the right-hand throttle side of the bike near the brake is the CVT transmission filter and is not the filter we're going to be changing. The one we'll be swapping out is on the left-hand side of the bike near the reverse lever and is the engine air intake filter we'll be replacing today. So first, start by releasing these two clips underneath. Then lift that straight up and off. Next, all you need to do is take out this stock air filter and replace it with the new K&N high flow air filter. Then line it back up and push those clips back on to lock it into position. So if this filter upgrade seemed right for you, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a K&N filter for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.